Good morning, guys. Currently, the market is 9:55, and today is 15th. You can see clearly that I have taken long position over here. Currently, my profit is 783. The average cost is 57. So, if you see here, this is Bank Nifty trade. This is Nifty. I exactly took my position around here, looking at this retracement, guys, expecting the market to go higher from here on. The reason for me for taking this trade is that you can see clearly the market gapped up, was heading below the VWAP level, and you can see this kind of pattern, guys. This pattern clearly shows trendline liquidity over here, and the market broke structure towards the downside. Here you can clearly see bullishness over here, and the market was bearish from here on. But what happened is that after this bearish momentum, you can see clearly that the market found chalk over here, initiating buyers to enter the market. This is a clear chalk, guys, and and this momentum broke this high as well, and this high, and you can see clear demand over here. And for my trade confluence, I use your anchor VWAP over here. So what I thought, like if the price retraced to this level, keeping my stop loss just below this 200 moving average, I thought of taking long position here. You can see here also a clear trendline liquidity is forming. I want this to break it out. What I expected is that as the market reached the 550 level of this retracement, if you can see this this retracement, this is the 550 level. I took my long position over here, keeping my stop loss just below this pip. So if the market would have crossed this 200 moving average or here or so, I would have exited my trade. And you can see clearly here that I took it around 57. So I thought like let in premium chart, let's keep it below this level. So if the market goes below this level, I would have exited. What happened is that market rallied upwards. You can see I placed my stop loss at 58, guys. So if in case the market heads lower, you can see my profit has declined here. Going to my orders position, you can see clearly that I placed my stop loss at 57 and the sell trigger is 58. So if it crosses 58, I would have exited my position. But let's see. Let's look at this. The price took support from 21 moving average and this bullish engulfing candle. If there is a solid bullish engulfing candle here, the price would rally upwards till this swing high. Here this liquidity, or in case if the market is clearly bullish, it can move all the way till here, guys. And this is what I'm expecting. Now my trade is risk free, guys. So I don't want to worry about whether if my trade I'm gonna win or if I'm gonna lose. So you can see clearly if the price would have reached this level, I myself would have triggered. But look at this. Price faced rejection from this level, the VWAP level, as well as the 100 moving average, it retraced back. But here you can see this retracement price took clearly at the 9 moving average, signifying that the market is clearly bullish. And you can see clearly this trendline liquidity, guys. This trendline liquidity, this high will definitely get broken towards the upside. So I am quite bullish right now on Nifty, and even at the same time I took position here on Bank Nifty as well. If you look at Bank Nifty, you can see clear trend line liquidity. This bearish candle below this mid of the first candle which broke towards the downside, or you can see another trend line liquidity, this pattern, which was not able to cross this VWAP level, followed by this bearish engulfing candle, following covering the previous um, bullish candle. After seeing this candle, you could have kept your stop loss just below, just above this pip, just above this pip, and targeting the swing structure of this. Or you could have targeted all the way to yesterday's VWAP level, guys. This is yesterday's VWAP level or the pivot level. See here, you can see clearly that the market came all the way to the pivot level. This is today's pivot range, guys. And you can see the clear chalk formation here. And here is after taking support from pivot level. You can see this is chalk. And if you try to draw the fib retracement level for this job, the common point between the blue and the black, you can see clearly it even didn't reach the 550 level. It took support from here. If you try to plot the anchor VWAP level, you can see clearly that the price took support after this breakdown of this candle towards the downside, followed by another bullish candle. After seeing this candle, you could have easily taken your position. Look at this, guys. There are a lot of confluence here in this trade for me to take long position. So you could have taken your position on it, keeping your stop loss just below this bit and drawing fib retracement level here. You try to plot the fib retracement level here, the common point between this, the common point between this and the common point between this. You can see clearly you can target the 1.68 level or the 100% level. Look at this. This is the 100% level. If the market could reach all the way here, or if it is clearly bullish, it can reach all the way till here, guys. Let's wait and watch, guys. What about Nifty position? Keeping break even. I want to keep my stop loss as I kept my stop loss break even, and I'll be targeting this pivot level, guys. Let's wait and watch. And you can see the market is clearly bullish, guys. Oh, my SL has been hit. 59. If oh, my SL has got hit, guys, with a minor profit of 41 rupees. Mm, I don't know what actually cost is. There are high chances that the price may take support from this level as well, and it may head higher. Let's look at this guy. Let's see clearly. Look at this, guys. You can see clearly this wave just came to take my SL at 57. I would have kept my stop loss to break even, guys. Look at this, guys. After taking my stop loss, which I placed here at 57, it went all the way to 55. And look at this, guys. The bullish candle over here. Are you guys looking at this, guys? I took my position over here. I've seen some kind of profit till here. I took only one lot of Bank Nifty, guys. And you can see clearly the price faced rejection from this VWAP level here. And look at this bullishness after this. This is engulfing this previous candle, and even it's all the way to this candle as well. I would have just placed my stop loss here. Premium moves, it's quite unpredictable, guys. You can't expect. This is a swing structure. This is another swing structure. Time being, let's keep it like this. And look at this, guys. Here, clearly the market will head higher only. Here you can see the price faced rejection from the 21 as well as the 9 moving average as well as the VWAP level over here. Clearly you can see the price facing rejection, and there is high chances that the market will continue further in the put premium. In the call premium, the market will go higher, and definitely it's very bullish, guys. Yeah, there is no doubt about it. The price will take support midway between this midway. So if it crosses the midway or the pivot level here, or it crosses this zone, I'll exit my position. But it's already exited. Do you think I wanna re-enter? Let's take a trade on Bank Nifty, guys. I think Bank Nifty, this 50700. 50. Yeah, this I take 5 lots. Okay, I took at 169, guys. I took my position at 169. Let's see, guys, what's gonna happen. Look at this, guys. 170. Oh, my trade. 169. My, my trade has not taken. 72. What should I do, guys? Should I take that market position? I just placed my order right. 69. I'll definitely take a market order. Sit. 71. Would have then it's okay, guys. It's quite unpredictable. I'll keep my stop loss just below 168 or something like this. And targeting higher. If I look at Bank Nifty, you can see clearly the price took support over here, and here it was heading higher. So clearly you can see the market is bullish. So if you have taken long position here, keeping your stop loss just below this pip and targeting this high, all the way to this high as well, guys. See, it's like 154 now. A profit of 127. Let's go, guys. And Nifty, look at this, guys. Nifty, though it's forming a rounding top kind of pattern, clearly signifying that the market is bearish. Let's look at Bank Nifty only, guys. If the market crosses this level, I will definitely exit my position. As long as it doesn't cross the 21 moving average, you can see clearly the price took support from this VWAP and as well as this anchor VWAP level, and the price couldn't cross this. And if you try to plot the fib levels from here too, you can see clearly the 550 level over here. So there is high chance that the market might head bullish. Nifty premiums though are quite unpredictable, guys. I want to see solid momentum. If there is no solid momentum, it's better to exit, guys, because it's not even trading above the first candle range only. I want to see it. Look at this, guys. This though candle is forming a bearish candle, but here you can see the bullishness over here. You can see it clearly. Okay. I keep my stop loss at 169 or below this at 168, guys. So it's just 2 to 3 points of stop loss. So here though market is clearly bearish only. And if you look at RSI, you can see clearly that the market is bullish only. My stop loss here for my another trade would be, if I kept my trade here, it would be just below 168, guys. And I'll be targeting higher. So let me exit this one and targeting this side. I want to see a clear bullish candle for me here, guys. I don't want to see price crossing this 21 moving average, guys. If it clearly crosses the 21 moving average, then the market is clearly bearish. Look at this, guys. It went all the way to my stop loss level. And again, it's heading higher. But here you can see this bearish candle after that. This dodgy form candle forming this bullish candle over here. I think I need to exit my trade, guys. Let's see if it closes below this zone. I have to exit, guys. If it closes below this zone, definitely I will exit. I want to see some bullishness over here. And see price clearly forming rejection. Look at this, guys. Let's see, guys. I'm quite bullish, guys. You can see clearly the bullishness over here. If I would have placed my stop loss at 68, my stop loss would have been triggered by now. But look at this, guys. This bullish candle. Okay. Wow. Now it's heading towards my direction, guys. Look at this. 132. Now I'll place my stop loss at cost. Or let's wait for a while, guys. Let's wait for a while to see this bullish rally towards the upside. You can see that the market is clearly bullish. So if you look at premium charts, yeah, 179. I want to see the further buying pressure over here, clearly signifying that the market is trying to push again higher. I want to see this bullishness continuing further. What about Nifty, guys? See Nifty, you can see multiple times the price came all the way till here, and now it's couldn't cross the rewrap level over here. You can see clearly this bullish momentum towards the upside couldn't cross this level. Now let's focus on Bank Nifty, guys, because tomorrow is Nifty's 50th premium expiry day. So there are high chances that the market usually there would be premium decay. So this is some basic confluence for me to see if that market is trading above the 350 level of this candle, showing that the market would be bullish after this candle formation. I would exit my trade if it crosses this candle, guys. You can see clearly that the market this is Nifty spot chart. Here you can see this rally towards the upside. Here it took support from here. As I've told you here, this rejection. You could have entered at 192 and targeted this VWAP, this 200 moving average level. This is towards the downside. You could have kept your stop loss here and targeted this zone. This is a quick scalp, guys. After this breakdown and this retracement, as the bearish engulfing candle formed over here. You could have taken long position over here as well. This is another trade where you could have entered. So my entry is around like 171. Now it's around 180. So now I'm at a profit of 622. You can see clearly the market is heading high. But this premium moves, there the premium decay is happening, but here this bullishness I'm not able to see. But let's place our stop loss, guys. It's better that I'll sell at 172. Sell market 72 and trigger at 73. So it's like cost to cost. If I lose also, I would keep it at 74. At least my okay. I placed my stop loss, guys. Price is trading at 179. So my stop loss would be at 174. Yeah. So if it crosses this level, definitely I would exit my position. So my 100% target is done, guys. You can see clearly that I thought of trade. I took my position here in Bank Nifty. So if it's my position would have taken here, it's like 164 to 180. It's around like 20 points of profit. I think it's better to trade option selling, guys. So clearly, if you could have sold your position here or here, it's around like 40 to 50 points you could have gained. But here you can see today it's not option buyer's day, I guess. Again, you take my stop loss, guys. I don't know what. Today's not our day, guys. So you can see clearly we have seen a profit around 600 to 700. After that, you can see in both Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. Today, it's not an option. Buyers guys. Today's bullish candle also you see clearly this one candle over here swept all this premium over here. See guys, you can see clearly I took my long position over here. As I told you, I tried my stop loss did here. The price came, reached all the way midway between this bullish candle and price rallied upwards. But if you look at the premium chart here, you can see clearly that long position over here, keeping my stop loss just below this. And this bullish candle is there, no guys? This bullish candle is this bullish candle over here. And you can see price rallied upwards and it took again support from the 21 moving average. But here you can see, even if you place your stop loss off below this candle, you can see clearly the market wiped out with this retracement over here and further continued buying, guys. So it's very difficult to place your stop losses in premium charts, guys. If you see that this momentum, when compared to this momentum, we can see this is clear SL hunting, guys. But here you can see clearly that after this bearish breakdown, it couldn't even cross the 21 moving average. Here it faced rejection over here, clearly signifying that the market is bearish. So it's a option seller's deck, guys. So it's very difficult for option buyers to make money. And here you can see clearly the 1.68 level target, which I have told you earlier. If the market breaks this target, there are high chances that the market might continue further, even higher. So if you consider the common point between here, here you can see clearly the 100%, the 1.68 level. So you can target here also, guys. The 2.68 level you can target, and or the midway between this, or if this level is also broken, you can go all the way till here as well. I think it's very difficult for the market to reach till 3.618. You can expect till here, guys. Or if you see any common resistance over here, so you can see clearly there is no proper resistance. You can see fair value gap here. So you can clearly note down this to try to use smart money concepts. Lux algo. There is here one bullish momentum. So there is 5 minutes order block over here. So if this order block gets swept out, there are high chances that the market may go all the way till here also, guys. So it's better to be vigilant here. So my target was 1.618 level. You can see clearly the market is bullish. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Market clearly is heading bullish. There are high chances that the market might face resistance over here. So it's better to exit your positions right now. Or it see you can see bearish engulfing candle. It's better to exit here, guys. Or the midway between this. You can see the bearish engulfing candle. If it's a bearish engulfing candle, you can clearly exit your positions over here. As you can see here in Nifty, that I took my long positions over here, expecting the market to reach all the way till this level. But you can see clearly that the market has reached here. So if you look at my positions over here and go to my orders, you can see I took my long position at 57 at 949. So if you see here 949, so this was my long position, keeping my stop loss just below here. So I just tried my stop loss after seeing this bullish momentum, guys, to 47 to from 57. I kept my stop loss break even instead of keeping it till here. You can see here also the market came all the way to this level. So it came all the way to 54. But here you can see after this, guys, the bullish momentum, it continued all the way upwards till this R1 level. This is the Camarilla pivot, the R1 level. You can see all the way. You could have easily doubled your premium, guys, here from 57 to almost like 100 points. Clear significant, clear sign that the market is clearly bullish. And here also Looking at this premium spot chart, I targeted the market to go all the way till this level, or if I draw my fib extinction levels, common point between this and this, yeah, I targeted the 1.618 level over here. This is the 1.618. So here also there is a order block over here which is unmitigated. So you could have targeted this on order block level as well. Look at this, guys. A clear trade. So the market just came, retraced back, took my SL and it retraced back. I would have gained a good amount of profit if would have kept my stop loss just below this. Or I was quite careful that about my risk appetite and to be trade trade risk free. Since after this bullish momentum, I kept my stop loss here. So if I lose my position, I might lose break even. But here you can see clearly the market retraced, took my sell. Again, it went high. I think through a lot of practice, you can really gain experience, guys. Here you can see here this rejection after this bullish momentum from the VWAP levels. Here you can see the support here. So you could have even took your position over here, or you could have sold your put here, keeping your stop loss just above the 200 moving average, expecting the market to go further down and to be bullish over here. If I would have entered here also, I could have gained a decent amount of profit as well. See here, the market is facing resistance. Looking at Bank Nifty, you can see clearly after this bearish, I told you this bearish engulfing candle, the market broke structure. Again, another bearish engulfing candle over here. This is just a liquidity sweep, sweeping this high, initiating a lot of buyers to enter the market. You can see a lot of, after seeing this bullish candle, a lot of people might have entered expecting the market to go further high. You can see a rejection of price from VWAP, but the market sentiment is clearly bullish, guys. So you should always look for buying opportunity. Even this week also might be just a liquidity. So if the price finds support anywhere between these levels, this is anchor VWAP. So if the price finds support anywhere between here to here or this mid level, because the price consolidated over here after this breakdown structure. So if the price takes support from this high, this is one support level, this is another support level, the fib retracement. So if you see price consolidating over here and some bullish momentum over here, you can continue buying further. But looking at this solid three soldiers bearish candle pattern, there is high chances that the market may go all the way to this order block level as well and go further high. So the high chances the market might even take support from this 1 minute order block. So yeah, the price clearly broke this structure. You can see there is ejection of price here. Coming to premium charts, see Bank Nifty as well as Nifty. See it faced rejection over this the R1 level, guys. After R1 rejection level, the price clearly heading down. You can see if the price doesn't cross the S1 level, there are high chances that the price might face resistance here at S1 level or the 100 moving average. There might be buying pressure from here as well. You can see here, you can see support from this level also. Currently, the market has closed. You can see clearly that after this bearish engulfing candle, the market found a kind of trendline liquidity over here, and the market broke this structure, swept this liquidity, and sudden impulsive momentum towards the downside. You can see this bearish breakdown of candles. This is clearly sellers entering the market, trying to push the market down. This is aggressive selling over here. You can see clearly here. But what we can see here is that the market broke even this low, forming a chalk. So if you try to plot the common point between here to here, you can see the market couldn't cross the Fib retracement here. Fib retracement. This is the 50 level, signifying that the market sellers here are very strong. And as long as the market breaks this high tomorrow, it's better to be selling the market with the sentiment as towards the sell side. Again, after this break of structure, the market took this low also. Before that, you can see the market rallied up. Here, there was a good demand order block zone, but the market came all the way, even took this low and tried to head higher. So even this order block failed. For this order block to consider bullish, as the market came all the way from here to here and retraced back, and after touching the order block, we should see some kind of momentum towards the upside. And in this kind of pattern, after this bullish momentum, we could have definitely trade here. But what happened is that the market continued selling further, and this last sell of candle after this liquidity, the trend and liquidity over here, clearly shows that the sell-off is over, and the buying momentum, the large down move candle, you can see clearly. But here, after this bullish momentum breaking this high, you could have easily considered this favorite retracement, and you could have entered when the price reached the fib level here. And that's where I have taken the trade. I took the long position here, expecting the market to go further high, breaking this high or this high. But what happened actually is that the market faced resistance over here and aggressive selling. After seeing this aggressive selling, I exited off my position. After that, market again rallied upwards, but again it couldn't cross this high. So the market clearly broke even this low and went all the way here. After this aggressive selling, and this aggressive selling, it clearly signifies that the market is clearly in selling momentum. But look at the upward rally, guys. This is a clear trendline liquidity rally towards the upside. Here you can see the aggressive selling over here, but here there is a lot of hesitation in buyers trying to push the market upwards. But with the formation of trendline liquidity, and you can try to plot the fib retracement level, the common point here. Here you can see clearly that the market couldn't even cross the fib level here also. This is the fib, clearly signifying sellers here have entered the market trying to push market further down. These are institutional sellers, guys, who are selling this position here at this 48,900 level and then 49,000 level. And when this trendline liquidity has broken, while price taking support, multiple supports here and here, you could have easily seen sellers' fib retracement level being respected. And after this trendline liquidity getting swept out, this is another trendline liquidity, guys. And price could have taken support from here and head higher. But what happened is that it couldn't cross this high, as well as it broke structure towards the downside. And you can see another trend line liquidity over here. The last up move in confluence with moving averages, you can see clearly that the market broke, couldn't cross this level. I think it's very difficult to identify, but you can clearly see, or you could have seen this bearish breakdown after this consolidation of price. You could have even entered your position here, and this is how the common point between this, the common point between this, and the common point between this, you could have easily targeted the 2.618 level or the midway between the 2.6 and 3.1 level. You can see clearly that the market came all the way to 2 point, clearly signifying that the market is bearish. And in confluence with moving averages, you could have traded this selling momentum as long as the market crossed the 21 moving average or the 9 moving average. Here you can see the market is clearly bearish, price rejecting from the 9 moving average, as well as here you can see the 200 moving average. This upward momentum, this is another kind of trend line liquidity. This upward momentum where price couldn't cross the 9, the 21, as well as the 200 moving average. You could have entered your position here, short position here, keeping your stop loss just above the 200 moving average after it faced rejection and targeted all the way to the daily web level, or you could have targeted this low, or you could have tried this low as well. See, this low is exactly at the 2.618 level. This is another confluence, guys. This liquidity, if you haven't considered it, or for better confluence, you can use even this retracement, guys, as it formed shock here, this demand. So if you consider this swing structure also, when the market broke this low, this golden zone ratio, where price couldn't take support from here, when this zone got broken down, you could have taken short position, or in confluence, you could have placed anchor VWAP level here, the high, I guess, the high. See, you can see from this high, the price couldn't cross the 200 moving average. And if you place anchor VWAP level here, you can see here this anchor VWAP level. The anchor VWAP level over this high, and price couldn't cross the anchor VWAP level as well as the fib level. And here, this anchor VWAP level, as the price broke towards the downside and it faced rejection over here with confluence with moving averages, all moving averages, you could have easily taken your trade looking at this consolidation, guys, and targeted this low. This is one beautiful setup you could have traded along with all these trades which I explained you earlier. I hope my knowledge, what I'm sharing you, would be helpful. Please like, share, and leave your comments below if you feel good about what I'm trying to teach you guys. Thank you.